Hi guys, so I'm here for another vlog, and the first part of this vlog doesn't make sense, but Vincent and I went to dinner last Wednesday, February 17 to Te Amo, and then we just ate dinner there. We had bruschetta, and then I had the steak Diana, and I think he had veal, and as well as the 3-cheese pizza. And then we just went out to have dessert. So it's too dark in the restaurant, so I didn't have the chance to vlog myself, but it was our post-Valentine's date, and we just went to Te Amo. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button up or clicking on the home channel and click the subscribe button. And don't forget to message me on the comment box down below. Alright? Enjoy my vlog. See you later, guys. Cheerio!
Dali. But that awkward moment when you want to vlog but you cannot vlog because everyone is looking at you.
Or your camera has a screen at the back.
Passion fruit macaron. Raspberry. We usually get our regular tiramisu and hot chocolate, but the
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
but the birthday boy got latte. Sarap.
Yeah, tiramisu.
So, me eating tiramisu. Ba't bawal siya pakita?
Ayun na.
YouTube people. So when you go to Melbourne, be sure to check out Brunetti. It's one of the best dessert shop,
Cake
bake
shop.
shop
And
in
restaurant.
city, in Nigon, in Arbor.
Brunetti. Sponsored by Brunetti. Unboxing. Romantic unboxing.
Ganda ba to?
Favorite kit ko yan eh. Saan? Wala, di ko kita.
Favorite trick ko. Naging ganda mo simula.
It's my favorite kit.
Baka yung box ko yata to eh.
It's my favorite kit for my favorite person.
Dami? Flora.
Tingin. Put it up.
Kaya pala nagtanong eh.
Ha?
Kaya pala nagtanong eh. Saan mo na nakita?
Secret.
Tama na. Busog na. So this guy over here, when he asked me to hang out with him, we stayed over Brunetti, like overstayed until 12 a.m. Yes, 12 a.m. and everything is almost closed and Brunetti is about to close. And I wanted to go to the toilet, but it seems that the toilet closed early, so we had to go home. Friendzone. Friendzone. Hashtag friendzone. Vlog.
Wanna be my vlog, Mike?
Lakad-lakad lang.
So cool. Lakad-lakad pag may time. Yun yun ah.
Ha?
Lakad-lakad pag may time.
Ayun mo yung sa aming ganung ano.
That one?
Yung ganung